Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group online, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to click on the groups, and you can see that you can create one. You have to click on that. Here you can and you have to search by name your friend. Okay, I do not have any right now. I'm going to click on the next, and here you can set up the group profile. You can change and add photos, and you can add members by clicking on that plus icon, and members join the group as soon as they are invited. Disable the setting to always require members to accept an invite before joining. All right,